Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Anna and I do makeup, skincare, and multi-generational family vlogs on my channel. And for those of you who are returning, hey y'all, what's going on? So today's look is going to be a Valentine's Day inspired look for you guys. Valentine's Day is coming up and I figured I'd do some type of look just to kind of give you guys some ideas if you're looking for a look to do for Valentine's Day. And you guys, if you saw my New Year's Eve makeup look that I did, you guys were raving about this Natasha Denona palette that I got, and you said you wanted to see it more on my channel. So of course I had to use the Natasha Denona Love palette for you guys. There it is in all its glory, and this is what I used to create the look. I'm sure my lights are not giving it color payoff. There we go. So that is what I used to create this look. You guys, this is just an awesome palette. Like, Natasha Denona is so great. It's wonderful. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of walk you guys through it. Might be a voiceover, might just be you guys watching, but I will kind of explain what I did at the end or through it. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see what we're gonna do. But yeah, I will walk you guys through how I made this look. So if you want to see this Valentine's Day inspired makeup look, then keep on watching. But please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the video. is it. Here is the finished look. I really like it. Y'all, this was a struggle to try to put together. Like, it took me way longer than I wanted it to, but I really like how it turned out. Just some side notes about the base. Juvia's Place foundation as always. And then I actually, for the highlight, where did it go? I found this Fenty Beauty Rose on Ice Fairy Balm. And it kind of gave me just this nice little glow. I can't really show you guys because it's like in there, like on the top, but the camera will pick it up. It's very, there we go. It's very shimmery. So I just kind of dusted that on my cheeks. And then for the lips, if you guys saw, it was the Pat McGrath lipstick. This is the, I don't know what these are even called. This is called Matte Trance 109, and this is in Flush number 3. So I did that, and before that I just put like some Juvia's Place lip gloss on because my lips are dry. But yeah, so that's what I have on my lips. And yeah, that is about it. So this is a Valentine's inspired makeup look. If you're looking for something to try to achieve on Valentine's Day, this was pretty simple. I think I used about 4 or 5 shades in total, but yeah, I really like it. So yeah, and then, you know, you throw on some, you know, your little outfit, your earrings, and you're good to go. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. And have a happy Valentine's Day. Peace.